Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Syuhada Liana, binti Jamaludin. My metric number is 2035885. I am a third year student from Bachelor of Science Human Development with Information Technology, and I am from Faculty of Human Ecology. So, for today, I'm gonna show you the tutorials for Gantt chart tools and for function point tools. So, we just let's get started. Okay, okay, so first we just type for gun chat tools, so we just type Wondershare eDraw. So we just click it on the websites, and we have to download it, the free download. So I already downloaded. So okay, as you guys can see, they have many templates for project management. So we just get we just proceed to the straight to the points. So we go to the project management, and okay, we saw the Gantt chart. We just click on it, and then okay, we have in the Wondershare EdrawMax, they have so many designs for the Gantt chart. So we just pick. I just pick randomly and just put it in the middle. And okay, as you guys can see, the Gantt chart is already completed. So it have a ID numbers, task name, start start durations, finish duration, and how many days that the task needed. And um we just fill in the names and so on. And okay, so first we just for number one, we just said analysis. I'm just copying the our UPM library booking system, and so the duration start is 18 April 2022 and finish 26 April. So the duration is 7 days. So okay, the next is requirement engineering. Um, so the duration is 5 days from 18 April until 22 April. So we also can add so many if you guys want. We just this applications is unlimited for Gantt chart. So you guys can add so many more for you guys want. Okay, so for the third is planning. Also, the duration is 5 days, starting from 26 April and finish 2nd May. And number four is system design and architecture. Starting from 2nd May 2002, 2022, and the finish is 10 May 2022. It takes duration for 7 days. And next is development. Development starting the task is 10 May and the finish the task is 6 June 2022. So the duration is 20 days. And next is quality testing. Testing started 6 June and finish at 17 June. It takes 10 days. And next is deployment. Deployment as starting date is 17 June and finish is 23 June. So it takes the duration of 5 days. And next is a run beta. Run beta is started 23rd June and finish is 28th June. It takes four days. And lastly is a release. Release it takes only 2 days to complete the task, which is 28 June until 29 June. So as you guys can see, this is the Gantt chart that we already produced. So we didn't create manual for this Gantt chart. We just list all the tasks, and then the this application is generates themselves. So let them do their jobs. Okay, so we also can customize any colors if we want, or so on. And so as you guys can see, it's so many colors that we can change. Okay, so next is so if you want to save, we also can save because we already downloaded the this application. So we can save at our files to our personal files. So I already save it as a Gantt chart project planning. So okay, this is the final result. Okay, so if you guys can or want to see the features, there are so many features that from this Wondershare EdrawMax. It is really simple, and I really love it to use it because not only Gantt that we can do, but as you guys can see, they have basic diagram, flow charts, mind maps, organizational charts, and graph and charts and forms. That's only for basic. You guys can see there are many features that they produce. So for business management, quality management, project management, strategy and planning, and marketing and analysis canvas. So for software and database, software development, database modeling, network, cloud service. For engineering, building plan, electrical engineering, industrial engineering, map, and design for graphic design, infographic, card, UI and UX, and lastly for education, science and education and graphic organizer. So they have all of it. So we don't have to worry if you want to use this. I want to show EdrawMax. So okay, that's all from Gantt chart. Okay, so we proceed to the function point tools. So for function point tools, I'm using by I'm using function point calculator by Forster, Gantt and Schmoll. So we just click it on the name that I already said. Okay, so this is for the function point calculator. So function point is a method of estimating software project cost by making simple estimate of the software you and your team plan to develop. The number of function points for your project can be determined. Using this function point, software developers can estimate various costs, such as the cost in time to develop the software, or estimate the number of lines of code it will take to develop the software in questions. So we just proceed to the function point calculator. So they have two steps. So for this, they have two separate steps. So for step one is to fill in the table with estimate for the software we plan to develop. And the second step is to answer several questions about our software. So I'm just copying the European library booking system. The the point that we want that we need to put it on the function points. So okay, this is following table with the estimate that pertaining to the software that we are developing. So basically they have 5 categories, which is number of user input, number of user output, number of user inquiries, number of files, and number of external interfaces. So for number of user input, we put it on a simple is 15. Number of user output 12 in simple. Number of user inquiry is 4. Number of files simple 19 for simple and 1 for average. And lastly, number of external interfaces 2 for simple and 2 for average. Okay, next we can proceed to the step 2. So for step 2, we need to assign a value of importance to each question. So the range is from 0 to 5. So 0 is below importance to 5 is being a high importance. So we just need to fill in. Okay, so we just fill in what is more important about our project or what is less important. So fill in. Okay. Okay. All right, done. Okay, so already complete with 14 factors. So we just calculate function point. They already calculate for us. So ta-da, the number of function point for our project is 272. Yeah. So this function point is very easy to use. We just fill in the blank what they want we to put and what kind of project that we use. So if we just put it the value that we want, so they already generate for us the output. So that's all from me. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.